Hello, this is an unboxing for a 30 pin to USB cable I got at Walmart for $9 plus tax to replace the off-brand one which broke. There's a plastic strip there. And I'll just crack this open like so, and pop this out like so. And this is cheaper than a crappy Chinese one over at Walgreens that they want to charge almost $11 for. But this is a name brand, Apple brand, for $9 at Walmart. Used to be 18, I believe, but now it's $9. I'm gonna give it a try. And for that price, maybe I'll get a couple more. Okay. Have a good day.